has a new rival in town. Their name is Contra, and they're a freelance platform much like Upwork, connecting freelancers with clients with a modern, fun look. And while you guys know I love Upwork, Exhibit A, I'm also always open to try new things, and this one truly caught my eye. Not only do they have a great presence on social media, they actually also beat Upwork in many ways. The first one being, they have no fees. Let's first get this out of the way. I know a lot of people complain about Upwork's fees. Well, on Contra, you have no fees, meaning everything you make is yours to keep. After taxes, of course. Isn't that great? Isn't that a great feeling for us to have? I know Upwork this month is lowering their fees from 20% to 10%, if you didn't know, but from 10% to 0%, I think that still wins. The next thing Contra wins over Upwork is they actually let you link your socials. I know, what a concept. While Upwork is busy worrying about people taking things off the platform, Contra is actually giving you a dedicated space for you to link your social media. As a social media manager, I gotta say, this really attracts me because my own social media is like my portfolio. I know I have my separate portfolio of work I've done for clients, but I post a lot on my social media too, and that's like my own voice, and I would love for prospects to see that. And even if you don't work with social media, if you do some promoting on your social media at all, I think it's a great tool for your prospects to be able to do some homework on you before they get on a call with you or before they decide to hire you. Is that just me? Maybe it's just me. I don't know. And last but not least, we have Contra Portfolios. For this one, I actually wanted to share my screen with you guys so you can actually see it. So basically here, you can create your profile just like you would on Upwork or Fiverr. You can add stuff about you. You can add, like I said, your social links. You can add portfolio items, services you offer. You can have them right here. You can request recommendations from people you've worked with, which is great. But then you can take that the extra mile and convert your regular profile to an actual portfolio site that you can even connect to your domain and then lead your clients to. So we all know you don't necessarily have to have a portfolio to be a freelancer, but it does look more professional. So if you click here, it will take you to your portfolio creator. And as you can see, you can pick from many different themes. They're all super fun and super interactive. I love that. And if you want to see what mine looks like, let's have a look. This is mine. It starts with a picture of me. It's very minimal and yet very fun. I love this, sliding information about what I do. And then we have the different portfolio items that I have, as well as my services and the recommendations here at the end. Now, this last feature is actually part of Contra Pro, which I believe is around $12 a month. But if you want to try it out for yourself, I have a link below that will get you the first month for only $1. And if you use that link down below, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you. So you'd be helping out both your business and mine. Isn't that great? And if you want to learn how you can use AI to help you out in your freelance business, check out this video right here, and I'll see you there. Bye!